Benefits of Yakisaba grilled mackerel. Salted mackerel is mackerel that has been soaked in salt water and then dried. It is often sold as dried mackerel. Salted mackerel has less water content, which makes the meat tighter and tastier, and its umami is concentrated. Saba mackerel. Two nutrients of particular interest in salted mackerel are EPA eicosapentaenoic acid and DHA docosahexaenoic acid. Their content is said to be 1,300 mg of EPA and 2,000 mg of DHA, which is almost twice as much as the content in raw mackerel. EPA and DHA, which are unsaturated fatty acids, are nutrients that are believed to play important roles, but because they cannot be synthesized in the body, it is said that they must be supplemented in the diet. In Japan, fish is cooked on a special grill or over a charcoal fire, but for ease of cooking, I will grill it in a frying pan.